Guys, do you know brain teasers help in improving brain power? And today we'll do brain teasers on math. You'll get 20 seconds to guess the answer of it. Let's start with it. Now let's start with simple puzzle. Here you can see here 3 rows and 3 columns. You have to find the middle number for this puzzle. The time starts now. The answer is 8. Here, first you have to minus from the last column to the first column. Then you will get the answer at the middle. Here, for example, 19 at the last column, 7 at the first column. 19 minus 7 equals 12. Now let's go to the next puzzle. Sometimes your eyes are deceptive. Look at this figure closely, these cubes. Count how many cubes are here. Your time starts now. Puzzle is, if you count from the front of this image, you will get only some of the cubes. There are hidden some cubes behind the image, but they can't be seen. If we count that also, the answer is 9. Oh, don't get confused with these many numbers. You have to find the answer which would fit in the question mark. Your time starts now. Triangle method. Here you can see there are 7 empty glasses, and if we pour the milk at the first glass, then which of the glass will be filled first? Your time starts now. Closer, you can see some pipes are closed. They are 5, 6 and 7. So only the open pipes here which can travel is 2, 4 and 3. So compared to 2 and 4, 3 gets filled first. Now let's go to the next puzzle. Here you can see 9 squares made up of matchstick. You can remove 8 matches to form 2 non-touching squares. Your time starts now. Puzzle is remove all the connecting matches. Then you will get the 2 non-touching squares. I hope you got the answers correct in every brain teasers. Like my video, subscribe my video and click the bell icon. Thank you. Bye.